Welcome to Simply Good. Today we're making traditional Irish soda bread. This is what you'll need, and there is a link to a printable recipe in the video description. We're going to start out by combining all of our dry ingredients in a bowl. Real quick and simple. Now I use this with the Irish stew. This is sort of my side. Really simple rustic bread. We added the baking soda and some salt. Now I did this in my Mixmaster, my KitchenAid, with a bread hook. You can use a pastry cutter. Slowly add that first cup of buttermilk and just let it mix. Now you can see it's still really crumbly here, so we're going to go ahead and add that extra half cup of buttermilk, maybe a little bit more, tablespoon by tablespoon. So add the tablespoon and let it mix and see what it does, and continue to do that until your bread dough forms into a nice ball. You'll notice that it changes, the texture changes here as you continue to add the buttermilk. You see how it's changing as we're adding? By the way, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps me with the YouTube algorithms, and I really like to get my recipes out there to the world. It's fast, it's free, and it's easy. But you can see how it's changing that texture of that dough. Again, we're going to continue to add that tablespoon until we get it like this. It becomes a ball in your bowl, and it holds together. Just like that. We're going to I tossed a silicone pad. You can use a wooden board or you can use your countertop. But we're going to go ahead and lightly flour that and just spread that flour around. We don't want this bread to stick as we form it. Now, we're not kneading this. We're literally forming it. You kind of want it into an 8-inch ball, flat-topped area. So it's very rustic, like I said. And just kind of form it around. Try to fill some of those cracks and so on and so forth, but that gives it character. Once we have that, we're going to cut a big X in the top, about a ½ inch thick or deep. Place it on a cookie sheet that you have sprayed with cooking oil. One of the cooking sprays. I put foil on top of it beforehand. Cook it for 45 minutes or until it's golden brown and delicious. Looks like this. Serve it hot, and I served it with that wonderful Irish stew. I hope you like this. Like I said, it's very rustic, a little bit heavy. I'd like to thank you for joining me in my kitchen today for this wonderful Irish soda bread. I hope you have a wonderful St. Patrick's Day, and as always, y'all have a blessed day.